Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. Today, I decided to make another video since I hadn't made one in a while. So this video is not exactly like a part 2 of my timing game or my most recent video, but it's like kind of building off of it and you don't have to do it exactly. So I'm going to teach you all how to make a thumbnail, which is very useful in catching viewers' eyes and maybe like it's more better than just not having a thumbnail. So first we need to start off with a blank square and make sure it fills up the entire canvas, or whatever is fine with you. You can do whatever you want. Um, but if you want to cover the entire thing, you might want to make the whole thing blank. So for this game, I'm gonna copy this okay, well, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it in here, and I'm gonna make it really large, and I'm gonna make this a lot larger. I'm gonna make it to 40 okay, maybe that's not proportional. Okay, let's do 50. There, that's better. Okay, so we're gonna change this to a white, because white looks better for this kind of game. And we're also gonna make a arrow because yeah, there we go. And so let's put this right here, put this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. And actually this looks better, so we're just gonna do that. Okay, we're gonna group that, and I'm just gonna resize this like slightly because it's kind of too big for me. And we're just gonna do that. And we're gonna put it right there. Now we're gonna write timing. Okay, wait, you can't see this, but we're gonna make this black. Click this pointer arrow and make the outline black and do 3. And now we're gonna resize this, put this here. We're gonna just move this though to like the middle. Oh my god, why is this not working? Okay. I swear. Okay, we're gonna put that there, but then bring it down and make this slightly larger and put it in here and bring it to the top. Now this is a thumbnail, and we are going to make the code that makes it a thumbnail. So we're going to bring in events and go to looks and put set color effect to 100%. Except instead of color, we're going to do ghost. So now we're just going to save now, and let's run our project. When you close it, it shows it though. So let's check out over here. This is my timing game, and it shows the thumbnail. Now let's wait for this to load, and there we go. It has our thumbnail. Now this looks much more appealing than just seeing this, because it just shows the game and it's very bland and boring to see. It doesn't capture your eye, and it's very distracting. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Have an amazing day.